Hello all, welcome to the lecture session of microprocessors and microcontrollers. Today we are going to discuss about the interfacing unit, bus interfacing unit of 8086 and memory management. First, we are going to see about bus interfacing unit. So bus interfacing unit consists of three different blocks: instruction queue, segment registers, and instruction pointer. First, instruction queue. So we know that 8086 employs parallel processing. What do you mean by parallel processing? Which means when execution unit is busy by decoding or executing current instruction, the buses of 8086 may not be in use. At the time, bus interfacing unit can use buses to fetch up to 6 instruction bytes for the following instructions. Bus interfacing unit stores these pre-fetched bytes into F5F4 register called instruction queue. When execution unit is ready for its next instruction, it simply reads the instruction from queue in BIU, bus interfacing unit. And this concept is called as pipelining. So pipelining is nothing but fetching the next instruction while current instruction executes. Execution unit of 8086 does not have to wait in between bus interfacing unit to fetch the next instruction byte from memory. So the presence of queue in 8086 speeds up the processing. Next, memory segmentation. We know that 8086 has 20-bit address bus, so that it can address a maximum of 1 MB of memory, 1 megabyte of memory. So out of 1 megabyte of memory, 8086 can separated by 4 segments, and each segment size can be 64 kilobytes. The 4 segments are code segment, stack segment, data segment, and extra segments. So these four are these 4 segments, and size of each segment can be 64 kilobyte. First, code segment. Code segment is a part of memory from where BIU is currently fetching instruction code bytes. The second one is stack segment, a section of memory set assigned to store addresses and data while a subprogram executes. Data and extra segments, used for storing data values to be used in program. So we know that we have 4 segments, and 4 segments can be called as code segment register, data segment register, stack segment, and extra segment registers. What is the purpose of these 4 segment registers, and what is the relation between these 4 segment registers and 4 segments of memory? These 4 segment registers can be used to hold upper 16 bits of starting address of each and every segments. For example, code segment register is 16-bit register. It can be used to hold starting address of code segment. Like that, data segment register used to hold upper 16-bit of starting address of data segment. Stack segment can be used to hold upper 16-bit of starting address of the stack segment. Extra segment used to hold upper 16-bit of the starting address of extra segment. So consider this is a memory. So this is the starting address of memory. So starting address of memory will be 5 zeros, and here is the last address of the memory. So last address will be 5 F's. So F is a hexadecimal number, which means this is 5-digit hexadecimal code. If we are converting this 5-digit hexadecimal code into binary, then it gives 20 bits. So the address is 20 bits, so that we have 20-bit address bus. So here we have code segment, data segment, extra segment, and stack segment. For code segment, so this is a starting address of code segment 10000, and here is the starting address of data segment 40000. Next one, starting address of extra segment 50000. Finally, this is a starting address of data segment. Here this is code segment register and data segment register, extra segment register, and stack segment register. So code segment register can be used to hold upper 16-bit of code segment, whereas data segment register used to hold upper 16-bit of data segment, and extra segment register used to hold upper 16-bit of extra segment, and stack segment register used to hold upper 16-bit of stack segment. These four registers are available in internal architecture of 8086. These four registers are available in bus interfacing unit of 8086. So address of each segment is 20 bits. A segment register stores only upper 16 bits. Bus interfacing unit always inserts 0 for the lowest 4 bits of the 20-bit address. So நமக்கு தெரியும் ஒவ்வொரு segment, ஒவ்வொரு memory location உடைய address size is 20 bits, but microprocessor இருக்கிற register size 16 bit. ஸோ இந்த 20-பிட்டை 16-பிட்டாக கன்வெர்ட் பண்ணுறதுக்காக தான் நம்ம என்ன செய்ய போகிறோம் அப்படின்னா 20-பிட் அட்ரஸை 16-பிட்டாக கன்வெர்ட் பண்ணிவிட்டு மைக்ரோ ப்ராசரில் ஸ்டோர் பண்ண போகிறோம். அண்ட் தென் வென்எவர் வி ஆர் கோயிங் டு கால்குலேட் ஃபிசிக்கல் அட்ரஸ், எப்போல்லாம் நம்ம அட்ரஸ் கால்குலேட் பண்ண போகிறோமோ அப்போல்லாம் என்ன செய்ய போகிறோம் அப்படின்னா அந்த 16-பிட்டோட லோயர் 4 பிட்ஸில் நம்ம 0 அப்ளை பண்ணுவோம். ஸோ 16 பிட்ஸ் ப்ளஸ் 4 zeros இட் கிவ்ஸ் 20-பிட் அட்ரஸ். For example, the content of code segment register is 348A. So 348A அப்படிங்கிறது என்ன அப்படின்னா ஒரு 16-bit number. 348A is a hexadecimal code, 4-digit hexadecimal code. இந்த 4 digits பைனரியாக கன்வெர்ட் பண்ணோம் அப்படின்னா it gives 16-bit number. ஓகே, அந்த 16-பிட்டோட என்ன செய்ய போகிறோம் அப்படின்னா ஃபைனலாக 4 zeros நம்ம ஆட் பண்ணோம் அப்படின்னா it gives 348A0. A 64 KB segment can be located anywhere in the memory but will start at the address with zeros in the lower 4 bits. Next, the instruction pointer register. In general, instruction pointer holds 16-bit offset address of the code segment. Bus interfacing unit uses instruction pointer and code segment registers to generate 20-bit address. Next, we are going to calculate physical address of the memory location. So this is code segment. Here this is a extracted version of code segment. And 348K0 is the starting address of code segment. So the content of code segment register will be 348A. Next, so our code byte is available at 38AB4. In 38AB4, in this memory location, we have the instruction move AL, BL. So we are supposed to fetch move AL, BL. For this purpose, we have to calculate physical address. The physical address will be 38AB4. We are going to discuss how to calculate this physical address 38AB4. For this purpose, we have to access code segment register and instruction pointer. So we know that the content of code segment register is 348A, and we know that the physical address will be 38AB4. Then the displacement between the starting address and code byte address will be 4214. The 4214 is the content of instruction pointer. So we are supposed to add content of code segment register and instruction pointer, and it gives physical address. So we have to add 0 to the code segment register. So 348A becomes 348A0, and it should be added with content of instruction pointer 4214. Then it gives 38AB4. So this is a physical address of the memory. Next, we are going to discuss about segment, stack segment register and stack pointer. Generally, stack segment register is 16-bit. So upper 16-bit of the starting address of stack segment is stored in stack segment register. It is located in bus interfacing unit. Stack pointer register holds 16-bit offset from the start of stack segment to the top of the stack. It is also located in execution unit. So other registers are pointer and index registers: base pointer, source index, destination index. And so it can be used for temporary storage data. A main use is used to hold 16-bit offset of data over one of these segments. Thank you.